On my Crosse remote weather station VR22, I was having issues with the rain sensor not picking up on the controller, and after it had rained, nothing was showing, so I thought it was the batteries, and I checked the batteries and they were good, put new ones in and flicked it, and it wasn't registering. So I took it apart, took the batteries out, pull it out with a magnet. But I checked the batteries and they were good, so I took this top piece off where the battery contacts are located below this. So with a Phillips screwdriver, there's two little screws. And this comes off. And then it shows the contacts. And I noticed one was okay, but the other one looked like it had some, it was more corroded looking. So I put some, first of all, I put some little baking soda on it and moved it around a little bit with the toothpick. And then I got a little wire brush and cleaned the terminals, scratched them, and then I blew it out with a can of air. And they look pretty clean after that. And then I put on some grease that's made for electrical contacts. This is on a slit lamp grease for a light bulb. And anyway, I put a little bit of grease on there and put my top back on and put their batteries back in. And when I put it back together and closed the battery lid, immediately my sensor picked it up, and then I started rocking it back and forth. Yay! I was happy. I'm happy that it started working again. So this may not be your issue, but it worked for me, and so I just wanted to point that out, that maybe it's the contacts under here that need to be cleaned, and maybe put a little grease, contact grease, so that the battery connection is a little more stable. Oh yeah, and I also took this side off before I took that side off, wondering what was going on in here. So I took these two screws off, pulled this cover off, and there's a spring. See this raised up, there's a spring, and there's a little circuit board, a square circuit board. So taking that out, there was nothing in there that could be adjusted or cleaned or anything. So I just put that back together and focused more on this side. And this is when it started working. So if you were curious about this other side, I just wanted to tell you that before you looked in there. It's really nothing, just a square circuit board. This might be the issue, the contacts down here. So for what it's worth.